Calendly is $10 a seat, every month, forever. Today, you and I build the $0 version. A real booking page, live on camera, double bookings blocked and receipts to prove it. Quick math first. Calendly standard is $10 a seat per month. That's their public price. A 5-person team pays $600 a year for what is underneath: a form, a list of busy slots, and a calendar file. There is a free tier, one event type, one calendar. And if that covers you, take it. We're here to replace the paid one. The build is 3 nodes in n8n, self-hosted, a form, a gatekeeper, and a confirmation page. Stopwatch running? Go. First node, your booking form. You give it a title, and then you stack the fields: name, email, a date picker, and a time drop-down with your 6 working slots. No code yet. This is all clicks, and n8n hosts the page for you. Node 2, the gatekeeper, and this is the whole product. Load the bookings file and apply 2 rules. The slot has to be inside working hours, and nobody can have it already. Pass both? You get written into the file, and a real calendar invite, a .ics file, drops to disk. Fail? You'll see in a second. Last node is the confirmation page the visitor sees. Title and message come straight from the gatekeeper. Hit publish, and your booking page is live on a real URL, 85 seconds on the stopwatch. Blank canvas to published. Now the part Calendly charges for. Riley books Wednesday at 11. Submit. Booked, calendar invite written. Now Casey tries the exact same slot. Blocked. That slot is already taken. Pick another. That's a double booking prevented by an if statement. The receipts, 3 nodes, 85 seconds to a published page, 105 including both live bookings, 2 real submissions on camera, 1 booked with an invite on disk, 1 correctly refused. Monthly cost, 0, on the box you already have. The honest part. This writes calendar files. It does not sync your Google Calendar. That's an OAuth flow we didn't do. There's no time zone logic. Slots run on the server's clock, no confirmation emails, and it lives on local host. To take real bookings, you put it behind a domain. Calendly's free tier might be all you need, and that's fine. But the $10 tier? You just watched a CSV replace it in under 2 minutes. Everything from this build, the files, the numbers, the parts that fought back, is linked below. Build it, break it, make it yours, and it ships itself. See you in the next one.